big. Stego Chef is here today. What delicious dish today! Hearts go thump with big hooray! Cooking time, go, go, go! Morning sunshine shining bright in the Dino Village kitchen. Wearing apron nice and tight, cooking starts with happy mission. Chop, chop, chop away. Carrots, potatoes we slice. Onions too we chop today. Tomatoes looking nice. Chop, chop, chop away. Veggies gather round. Tasty soup ingredients in the pot are found. Sizzle, sizzle, boiling now. Stir it round and round. Pour some water, bubble, bubble. Stir it once again around. Sizzle, sizzle, boiling now. Stir it round and round. Bubble, bubble, soup is cooking. Yummy smells are all around. Green broccoli, plop. Yellow corn, plop. Red tomato, plop. Pinch of salt, plop. Colors bright and beautiful. Just look and you will smile. Healthy veggie soup today, almost done in style. Blow, it's hot, be careful. Cool it with the puff. Take a bite, yum, yum, yum. Smiling is enough. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp your feet. Spin, spin, spin around. Cooking dance is sweet. Yum, 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 delicious. Eating with our friends. Healthy, strong bodies. Happy time that never ends. Stego flames blazing bright. Tasty soup is done. Share it with all dino friends. Yum, yum, yum. So fun. With delicious cooking, making everyone smile. Our amazing chef today. We love you all the while. Goodbye, Dino friends today. Who will come tomorrow? The teacher will be here. See you then. No